Thanks to Allrecipes member Little Snoo, who submits this low-carb recipe for Parmesan crusted tilapia fillets. With only 5 ingredients, it's bursting with flavor. Let's start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. In a shallow dish, add 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, and season to taste with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix together until just combined. We've patted dry 4 tilapia fillets, and now brush with enough olive oil to coat on both sides. Then dredge the tilapia in the Parmesan coating and place onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake the tilapia in the preheated oven until the fish flakes easily with a fork, 10 to 12 minutes. Allrecipes member Dynamite says this recipe for Parmesan crusted tilapia fillets is light on prep and cook time, adding, "It's great for those work and school nights."